guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting to tell you about. Popl! I am so obsessed with it, let me tell you. You know how annoying it is when you have to give someone your phone so that they can put their contact infos in it? You don't really know where their hand has been. Or having to exchange business cards and then you lose them. Or you're in a rush to get someone's Instagram or didn't type the right phone number and then it's too late. Or having to always share links through text. Well, not with Popl anymore. It's super easy. You download the app, you put the sticker behind your phone just like this. You can put it on an iPhone, on Android, and you get to customize your own logo. Then you put all the information that you want to share. For example, Twitter, Facebook, your YouTube channel, and you can even share your favorite playlist from Spotify or YouTube, and you can also share your website link and so on. The good thing about this is that not everybody has to have the Popl to share, only you have to have it. Once all your info is saved, you can choose if you want to share only one thing or if you want to show all of your information, like this. See, super easy, no excuses anymore. This is something amazing to network anywhere you go. So get yours today by clicking the link down below. Don't forget to use the coupon code Celine to get you 20% off. I absolutely love this and I cannot wait for you guys to enjoy it as well. So that's it for today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Have a good day. Bye guys.